YouTube check. YouTube check 1, 2. Check 1 2, check 2, check 3. Please let me know that you can hear my voice in the chat team. What is good, everybody? What is good? Yo, 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 yo. As I approach the bench here, I don't want to scare anybody, right? But hello, everyone. Hello, and welcome back. Dollar Bill, what is up, my dude? Man, guys, it feels like I haven't been out of my son's school today. Lots of things. Lots of things were forgotten. You know, how to take a how to take his hydro flask back, man, after dropping him off. That became an enormous deal. Oh no. Yeah, let's see. Guys, definitely. I'm actually gonna write it here. Checkity, check. Check 1 2, check 2, check 3. Yo. Take a look at the screen, guys. Well, I mean, you wouldn't be able to if I, right? Check 1 2, check 2, check 3, check 2. Let me know, guys. Check 1 2, check 2, check 3. Yo. You can hear me? Nice. Bulldozer, what's up, dude? Dollar Bill? Chop, what up, dude? Good to see everybody back. Seb, what's up, dude? Gar, what's up, buddy? Hey, guys. Let's see. Try to close Discord out entirely if you're having issues. In other words, hard reboot. Neil, what's up, buddy? Who? Yeah. Thought Zeus, thanks, man. Guys, who brought to the table? That was WD-40. Was that who? Man. But regardless of the fact, right? Excellent call, and it did play out pretty nicely. Now I am saying that it played out pretty nice in the immediate short term too. Hold on. Yeah. That's right. Man, it was TXO. What a good call on this. Was able to put down the targets on his request, right? And we came up with potentially coming in to risk on at 202.53. Lowest potential bound would have been $200.36. We faced just below the lowest entry. That was just about a 0.46 negative, right, in percentage basis. And below the focus bottom, that would have been just about minus 1.15%. And below the top entry, which would have been the 202.53, you're looking at just about 1.53% before this thing actually, launched all the way up to our last take profit target. Actually, before the liquidity zone, right? Our last take profit just around the 208 mark, 207.94, 93, right around there. So yeah, guys, this this could have been a a pretty insane eight. It could have been anywhere between a 5 to 8 point play on this. So congratulations if you did take this, and as it did play out pretty nicely. But I wanted to talk to you guys about a few things here. The play for CRML, right? A little dangerous right now. Remember that we put this one together just yesterday, okay? So a little dangerous right at the point where we're sitting right now, right? We were talking about failure of this 1627 could actually end up, giving us a nice little run, down to the $14 zone, $13 area. I guess if there is any type of salvation here, right? It could face your prior day's pre-market low, and I'm gonna go ahead and validate to see if that is actually a pre-market low or it is a low of day. Oh, it is a low of day. Okay, guys, yeah, this is an area that can still complement the potentials of an upside or a reversal. Okay, guys, so heads up, I'm just adjusting the targets here one more time. Potential bottom side on this would be the low of the prior day, which was, of course, on Friday. And that low is 1569, right? So, yeah, 15. Hold on. Come on. What say you? What say you? Okay. All right. Yeah, heads up on this one, guys. It does feel like it's going to head into that target there. Now, as far as Carvana, do we have the Sebastian, dude? Take a look at Carvana's 4 hour, bro. I can show it to you here. Let me go ahead and revert back. Volatility and momentum, of course, right? I'm just trying to show you that. So look at it here. Check this out, dude. This is presently Carvana's posturing, right? We are observing here a pretty nice uh upside posturing on stochastic momentum against a massive, massive, massive accelerating 4 hour time frame. Uh, yeah, 4 hour time frame volatility metric on linear. This is pretty strong, and it is. Let's see. Yeah, it is. It is actually is rooting itself from earlier time frames for sure. So this is not a random occurrence. It is cascading. Let me make sure that you guys can hear me. Okay, so we got a couple people on YouTube and a couple of people. I'm sorry, and the team here. All right. Yeah, heads up on this, guys. Heads up on this. Carvana looks extremely strong. Let me pull. That's your bi-hourly time frame, just screaming. Hour 22 left for the bi-hourly and 3 hour. Man, your 4 hour is just it is what it is here with an hour and 22 minutes left. 6 hour time frame. Let's see this. Wow. 6 hour time frame, guys, has a signal completely fired, massively expanding here. Upside posturing on your stochastic momentum. Dude. We just closed the hourly on the SPX just now. I'd have to say, guys, that this may be, I mean, with complete discretion here, this may be entry now. Right? And let's see. That would be 6 hour up, 8 hours. Man. Okay. So 8 hours total upside apparently from the opening of the 8 hour bar here that still has 5 hours, 20 minutes to go. And it's moving up now. Your current ATR top, yeah, you're looking at a potential 13 point move from around the opening of that 8 hour bar. What the heck? 445.47 to around 459.22. Dude. Okay, so hard target on that, just to keep in, it would be just over 10 points from here. Trump is live right now? Is that actually true? Trump is live. $20-minute close coming in. Hold on. I want to see. Okay, let me look at these 20 seconds here. Oh, that's right. Yeah. You know what? Somebody shared with us that schedule too. Was it you, Chop? I think you shared it last night, or no? At the market prep. Whoa, that was. Let me see what happens here. I need to see it. Need to see it. Come on, somebody purchase something. Okay, still downside on that, but of course it's because of the red bar closing below the prior bar's opening and close. Volatility starting to shift here. Yeah. That would be total upside. Okay, yeah, retrace this thing. Couple areas. Yeah, you might be at an average somewhere around this zone here, 443.49-ish. Maybe even the gap low here, which could be 442.74. And the 20-minute time frame would show, I think this is a peekaboo right before it pulls back. And this would have a current ATR top of about 447.57. Holy crap. We put that exactly there. Nice. To be fair, there were 2 bars there though. Let me see. 57, and then this one was okay. All right, good deal. Heads up, team. Carvana's looking mighty strong. BDP, what's up, buddy? Good to see you there. Good to see everyone back. Good to see everybody alive. And I know now that I have more people here in the group. Uh, Congratulations again, right? Should you have taken the play for MU today? Man, this thing went all the way to 381. Guys, we picked up position on this. When what? Man, I think we picked up position. Was it somewhere around here, like 350 or something? We did a 30-point move on that. What? And that's just we did 2 plays on this. Right? The other play was just some other ridiculous thing. Man, guys, this ticker MU has a lot of power. Same situation here with Carvana potential recovery. And actually, you know what? Now that I'm recalling, and now that I see BDP here, that ticker BE has been on a rampage. I mean, on a rampage. And heads up, guys, that WD-40 play appears to have some more strength left in it. And should that be the case, we could be seeing, let's see. Yeah, I mean, the daily ATR top on this is showing 210, and I have a 211.33 up there. Doesn't mean it's going to go for it. I'm just saying that there is a chance. And there is also a 30-minute bull flag. But I got to say, I will say that power hour is coming. Yeah, let's see. Trump speaks again tomorrow, Bulldozer says, 10 a.m. Eastern at the World Economic Forum. Okay. All right. Let's see. I got to say that if this thing does, I mean, that's a huge bar. If this thing were to break out, yeah, it's showing like high of day numbers. The high of day is the daily ATR top on this is, oh wow, WD-40 211.64. We have a 211.33 and a target technical target, bull flag target of 210.84. And that's not to say that it is going to do it. I'm just saying that it does have present criteria to perform that. And guys, so remind me one more time. What exactly is or what was spoken of? Is this it doesn't have anything to do with tariffs, does it? This is not the Denmark and all that stuff, right? This is something else. Oh, was this for the chips? Let me take a quick sip of water, guys. Hold on. President Trump today, wondering what he talked about. Guys, guys, I am eyeballing the January 30s long calls MU 380 strikes. Those, my goodness, those are so pricey. But they have so much open interest. Also, the 400s. Those are a little far out, but they do have pretty good. I mean, they have pretty good numbers. Let me see volume, and it has more volume than the 380s. Neo, check 1 2, check check check. Uh, guys, yeah, I'm observing those. I think I'm gonna pick up a couple here, team, on the calls for MU. Just a couple of them, right? And I'll see about levering in should we have further strength. But it feels like it would be time to kind of shift this around. as it does feel, if it does feel, kind of bottomed out. Yeah, it feels like it has some juice, guys. I know that we have this. I know that we have the hourly, the power hour coming in. I think I want to try a couple of the 400s just to see what's up. You know, and this is, yeah. Screw it. I'm gonna go for the 400s. And since they are kind of a fair bit away, I want to know how these perform because MU has a great deal of man. This thing it goes. It can go regardless of the spy. So let's see what's up. Um, hold on, team. Hold on. Okay, team. I am. Let's see. Yeah, I'm just about a quarter position in on MU, and this. Wow. Sorry, guys. Yeah, those calls are extremely resilient. And remember that we just got into the power hour, team. We just closed a few time frames. Hold on. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like the SPY could drop a little more still. Let's see the actual SPY though. Yeah, it feels like. I mean, if it doesn't turn around here, what is up? Tahoe Joe, what's up, buddy? Good to see you. Yeah, if it doesn't bounce like right from the SPY, right? If it doesn't bounce right from where it is, it, there are a couple supports around here. One of them being 675.84, and the second being, actually, I almost feel like this could be a center area. And then, yeah, your lower bound from there. Yeah, maybe 671.98. Be very careful, team, because all of these could be, let's see, the 3 hour, the bi-hourly. Yeah, all of these, man. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie to you. It feels a, a bit overextended from the immediate short term. Your 12-hour ATR low is definitely 676.57, and we've reached a low of 677.29. So that's, oh man, guys, that's another one with no audio. Yeah, I'm gonna maintain position on MU. Heads up on the SPY. It may still be able to, fall a little bit here, but I would start watching out for some of those. Uh, BDP, love you, buddy. Um, yeah, I would start watching out for the turn here. Okay, team. Careful, careful. And okay, hang on, guys. I'm gonna try to do the thing. Hold up. Okay, stay here. Check 1 2. Check 1 2. Audio check 1 2. Check 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 check. Tahoe Joe, check 1 2. Anybody else not having the audio, please let me know that you can hear my voice now. Check 1 2. Check 2. Check 3. Check 2. Check 2. Check 2. And if this didn't do it, guys, I'm so sorry. I'm gonna have to definitely move you to the YouTube platform. But it sounds good. C10, what's up, buddy? Okay, I'm gonna give. Hold on, let's see. Audio with a question. You can hear Robert. They're making you work today. Fair enough, sir. Okay, let's take a look here as we are approaching we're 15 minutes away from closing the SPX hourly, guys. This could be part of that turn here. Your Discord has no audio. Dang, man. The only thing I've been noticing with Discord with audio, it's the interfaces like Bluetooth headsets or audio, like actual audio interfaces, right? Like, like producers do. Focus rights, all that stuff. Yeah, it is messed. Discord doesn't really like third-party audio interface, and I don't think it likes I'm sorry, like in the box digital interfaces either. Like where you created routed in as an audio path within your computer, not as a physical hardware piece. Because there's a few people here. I'm not gonna step out. I'm just gonna try one more little thing here. Let's see. Check 2, check 3, check 2, check 1, check 2, check 3. Yeah, okay. For those of you who don't have sound, let me know if that did anything for you. I really hate this. Every single time we come on here, I always want to try to at least give it a shot, Okay. And check 1 2, check 2, check 3. check 1 2, check 2, check 3. That was just about the yeah, that was just about the last setting I did there. The sound is good? Okay. All right. Well, I can't, I can only do what I can do. I can only do what I can do, team. Yeah, but you guys are hearing it okay? And yeah, Tahoe Joe still hasn't gotten back to me, and I'm not seeing any comments on YouTube come in. So, but if you are on YouTube and you yeah, you can always tell me too from YouTube, like, hey, no audio in the Discord. The YouTube is always there for the secondary thing, but let's see. Yeah, do that, Tahoe Joe. Completely close it out. Close it out completely. Oh, YouTube is good. Dollar bill cutting out. Oh, you know what I could do too, just in case, is that I did notice that one of my other devices is connected on this. It is cutting in now. Okay, hold on. Okay, here we go. Check 1 2, check 2, check 3. Does that still have any cutting out activity? It's back. Nice. Okay. Well, that also works. KD, you still getting cuts? Sounds good on Discord now. Okay. Good deal. Good deal. And just in case, let me turn off this device from the Wi-Fi, just in case. just about 10 seconds here, team. We might. I'm favoring the upside, of course. 5 seconds left. Let's see how this feels here. Let's go. All right, we're officially in the imbalance. Let's see that 10-minute. Because that, guys, if I'm going to be honest with you, it feels like this thing is about to pop a lid off. Like upside, you know? I may be wrong, but it feels like it. Okay, it's starting to get a little bit of a push there. I think, yeah, it would be depending. I know I'm getting really close here, but yeah, if anything, judging by the way this thing has been acting, like I almost want to, you know, I almost want to hold it because this has been, massively bullish. Let's see, we've gotten close to the hour, right? Man, if anything, yeah, guys, this looks like a complete reversal. Let's see. Okay, and then also and also the last 5 minutes too. I wonder if that's when it's gonna do this weird thing. Let me see the 5 minute time. Yeah, and also, who was it? I think Daryl. Was it Daryl that pointed out the inverse head and shoulders? Okay, we're just about a minute and a half away. Oh, KD, you're still in here, buddy? Dude, congratulations, man. Bro, what a blessing. That dude, maybe around that time or whenever you get settled, that could be that could be an opportune time for you to just get better and not risk anything. Who knows, dude? And we're just under a minute away. And these are resistance. Let's see, these are supports, but oh yeah, that is a support there. Crap. That's your prior day. That's your prior day high. Is that the validation there? Oh my goodness, that could be big. And 20 seconds left. Oh man, I wonder if it is gonna try it. We have just about 10 seconds left to the 5 minutes before the closure. Here we go. That's 5 minutes. Did nothing today. A bunch of fear. Uh-oh. It could still be a prior bar retrace too, I'm not gonna lie. No, it doesn't, Destiny. It's only ETFs. So there may have to be a critical decision done here, right? I mean, the formation itself psychologically looks incredibly bullish. Let's see how far of a low we had. I think it was just 20 minutes. It looks like it was 30 minutes low. That would be 362.27. Hold on. That's your hourly reversal candle. This is, yeah, I mean, this is technically a low here. If we're talking traditional price, this is it. Yeah. Let me go ahead and take a look at the Tahoe Joe. Let's see, buddy. Oh my goodness, guys, CRML did it. Hold on, I'm coming. Who's that? Okay, and the ticker that you're talking about, brother, is CRVS. Let's see. I'm gonna put it. Sorry, I'm gonna put an alert. Should we be below this area? And also, should we be above this zone? Perfect. Okay. Oh my goodness. Look at this. And it doesn't appear to be a brand new thing, man, but it did release news today. This is maintained at buy. Okay. Guys, I think I'm gonna swing a mu. Just to let y'all know. Just to keep you in the know. Because we're closing here in just a little bit. Are you already in this, bro? This is absolute mayhem. Okay, we're closing here in 10 seconds. And this is just massively gapped up. What? Okay, the market has closed. I think that okay, so it does have prior iterations, right? Where it has done some craziness like that. Where fucking hold on, guys. Let's see. Yeah, that is a lot. Okay, here's one. Okay, so at least this one has 3 days of upside, bro. So um when it comes to relative upside days like that, it feels okay. It just has to be a magnificent day. I mean, a crazy, crazy bar. Oh, that's all the history it has. Okay, I think that in reality, this only has about one relevant day to it, and that's this back here, back in September of 2021. That that's about that's just about how far it goes. You know. So what I'm saying is that because of that one very, very large iteration, I think that the probabilities are landing towards an upside continuation here, at least for another day. I mean, as it should, this is crazy. So the next day, sure, it gapped down, but it just continued on upward. And the third day also gapped down, but it continued on upward. I am not going to lie, man. This probably does. It probably performs a miracle or something. It sucks that I don't have so much data here. Is that what it is? Okay. All right, team. Let's come back at it later on in the afternoon. Team, if you decided to follow me on the holding of the MU overnight, uh, please know that there's a high risk either way on that. But so far, we've nailed two very, very, very strong green plays on that. Let's see about our third one. But ever since it was mentioned, it's been pretty good to us. So if any questions, guys, reach out to me. Um, and also, yeah, no, that's just about it. I'll go ahead and follow up with XRP a little later on today, team, and we'll see what's up. But I love you all very much, team. Please be safe, be well, and I will catch you. I will catch you later on today. You're gonna follow Destiny on the. Okay, guys, I love you, team. Be safe, everybody. You got it, Dollar Bill. Love you, bud. Bye, team. Take care, everyone. See you, Gar. Later, BDP. Peace, team.